There we go. Alright, let's do a little burnout. Let's do one burnout for the heck of it. Okay, so this is my first motovlog with the GoPro camera, with the everything on, with the microphone and everything. So I'm hoping that the sound is good. I can't really determine from the GoPro footage. I have to check it out on when I'm editing the video afterwards.
Chuck Norris approved.
She's like, "What the hell is that, bro?" So I'm gonna have to determine it afterwards, and we'll hope that it's all right. So yeah, I mean, I don't really know what to talk about. I haven't done this before, so I'm just gonna talk about the neighborhood. I'm gonna drive around this neighborhood talking about cars or houses that I want and stuff. I'm guessing that's, oh, we got a dog. I'm guessing that is a good subject to talk about on my first video. I have no idea. I don't know what to say though. So I mean, it's pretty much just checking if you guys can hear me because now I have the visor up. If you guys can hear me with the visor up, how good you can hear me with the visor up and everything, and if the microphone is all good, and you know, just checking it out. So now everything is connected as should, and everything should be all right. So I'm just hoping that it works out, because I've been toying with this shit for a few months now, and trying to get it to be right, trying with like external audio recordings and stuff, trying with the external audio recording and shit. My girlfriend said no drifting, but I did anyways. Yeah, but so I've been trying to get the microphone audio good, and I'm hoping that this is alright, because from my last video that I uploaded where the woman was like honking and everything, the audio from my microphone wasn't really all that good, but now I think it's alright, to be honest, because it does. This microphone doesn't really pick up the bike, the quad bike and everything. So I'm hoping that this is alright, but we'll see. Honestly, let's take a left here, see if we get into a one-way street. No, we don't, so that's fine. That's a nice building. Not that nice though. I wouldn't want to live there. Alright guys, so let's talk about houses. Let's see. That's a good house up there. That's a really nice house. It's really nice. I don't know if you saw that, honestly. Oh, we got somebody over there. He ain't even walking a dog. What's he doing? See the buildings? It's so beautiful here. It's really beautiful. It's really nice taking a stroll. Oh, that's a mansion, bro. That's a mansion, bro. That's a big house. That's a real nice mansion. It smells kind of weird from the bike. No. De bränner trä, va? Det luktar trä, eller hur? Yeah, I thought I'll have... Oh, look at this house, guys. This is a really nice... This is a good one, huh? It's a really nice house. I like the level, the second floor up there. It's really nice. Oh, that's the person who lives there. Like an awkward... What? We're not gonna do drifting. What are you talking about, buddy? We're not gonna do no drifts. We're gonna take it easy. We're taking it easy. We forgot the blinkers. He's having a look. Yeah, so this is a nice neighborhood, but people, these kind of neighborhoods, people are like, oh, what's he doing now? He's coming with a fucking quad bike, riding around here, making all that noise. Man, stop it, bro. You've all been young, you've all been stupid, and it's not that I'm like annoying anybody. I'm just cruising, checking out your fucking beautiful houses, man. Chill out. It's no big deal. I'm not bothering everybody. And I'm not speeding, I'm not making too much noise. Okay, my bike is pretty loud, but that's not my fault. I can't do anything about that. So you guys gotta chill out with the attitude, man. You guys gotta chill out with the attitude, man. This is a beautiful house. This is really nice. It's still being built. That's nice. That's really nice. So I don't live around these parts. I live in a whole different hey buddy. She was so happy. It's just like, oh shit, it's starting to rain, man. No, so I don't live around these parts. It's getting cold. I'm actually lost right now. I don't know where we're at. This was a nice house.